Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels, and each of these vowel has two sound, the short sound and the long sound. The short sound is A, E, O, and the long sound is the actual name of the letter A, E, I, O, U. So, in this lesson we will learn long vowel A with different spelling patterns. It means in today's lesson we will read these all spelling pattern as long vowel A sound. A, 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 A. A as in baby. B, A, B, E, baby. A and I make sound A as in A, N, rain. A and Y as A sound as in D, A, day. And this spelling pattern usually come at the end of a word. This is split digraph. If a word has vowel, consonant and a silent E, then we will read A as long vowel A sound as in K, A, K, cake, and this E is silent. EIGH makes sound A as in A, T, eight. E and A make sound A as in B, A, K, break. So these are all long vowel A with different spelling patterns. Now let's look long vowel E with different spelling patterns. E and E joined together make sound E as in S, E, C. E and A joined together make sound E as in eat. This is split digraph. If a word has vowel, consonant and a silent E, then we will read vowel as long vowel sound as in the, E, S, these. The sound of Y is Y, but in this spelling pattern we will read Y as E sound as in happy. Or we can say if a Y comes at the end of a word and that word has more than one syllable, then we will read Y as E sound as in happy, baby. E and Y also make sound E as in E, money. I and E make sound E as in ch, E, f, chief. So these are all long vowel E with different spelling patterns. E, 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 E. Now let's learn long vowel I with different spelling patterns. This is the letter I and its sound is I. But in these words we will read I as long vowel I sound as in T, I, tie, G, ger, tiger. This is again split digraph. If a word has vowel, consonant and a silent E, then we will read vowel as long vowel sound. So we will read I as long vowel sound. I as in T, I, time. IGH makes sound I as in I, t, light. I and E make sound I as in P, I, pie. The sound of Y is Y, but if Y comes at the end of a word and that word has only one syllable, then we will read Y as I sound as in fl, I, fly, cr, I, cry. If a word ends with Y, consonant and a silent E, then we will read Y as long vowel I sound as in T, I, p, type, B, I, t, bite. So these are all long vowel I with different spelling patterns. I, 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 I. Now let's learn long vowel O with different spelling patterns. Long vowel O as in open, total. This is split digraph. If a word ends with vowel, consonant and a silent E, then we will read vowel as long vowel sound, as in O, home. O and A joined together make sound O, as in P, O, T, boat. O and W also make sound O, as in S, N, O, snow. O and E make sound O, as in toe, T, O, toe. So these are all long vowel O with different spelling patterns. O, 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 O. The last spelling pattern is long vowel U with different spelling patterns. U, as in you, mew, ik, sick, music. If a word ends with vowel, consonant and a silent E, then we will read U as long vowel U sound, as in k, u, b, cube. U and I make sound U, as in s, u, t, suit, fruit. U and E also make sound U, as in glu, u, glue, blue. E and W make sound U, as in you, new, you, few. If you want to download the spelling list, just check the link in my bio, or you can get from my description box below.